children. See, this is a beautiful parrot. Green color with red beak. It has two wings. It likes to eat guava. And you know what? Chilies.
तोता हूँ, हरे रंग का तोता हूँ, सुंदर मेरी चाल है, चोंच नुकीली लाल है.
Let's paint today. Let's paint a parrot with green color and red beak. You know what? Parrot says me too, me too. We should not put the birds in cage. Take out your watercolors and your book. Take red watercolor and very carefully paint the beak red and the body of the parrot light green color. Yes? Be very careful not to take out the paint out from the black outline. So you have to do very carefully. Don't rub your brush. Go slow. Very slow. Wow, you are doing it beautifully. You know what? Birds like to fly up high in the sky. And they live on trees. And they also have nest. Their home is nest. They live in nest and they build nest on the trees. See, very carefully do the paint within the black outlines, and I think all of you are going to do it beautifully. Yes, it looks wow. You know what? The end of the feathers we are going to do with dark green watercolor. So this makes the parrot beautiful, and the band on the neck is black. Yes, enjoy doing the coloring and sing along. Bye bye. Take care.